The upcoming Holy Spirit Church Feast, which is coming up, at the standing committee, we all have decided that we should ban plastic usage of plastic there. Also, the standing committee, once it is ratified in the council meeting, we are directing the chief officer to ban plastic within the Margao municipal jurisdiction. What the councillors had to tell me is, they said the maximum garbage that comes, and it's all mixed and dirty, is basically from the food stalls at any ferry. So what they've suggested is, do not allow more than 5 food stalls. Also that they should strictly have FDA clearance. We will also write to the FDA saying that they should come and inspect the food stalls. I think we should have some garbage sentinels, just the way they had for the traffic sentinel. Only thing, we also have to take precautions that this scheme is not misused by anybody. This scheme is not mainly for the city areas. It is basically for the dark spots which is coming. Daily there are about 18 to 20 huge bags that are coming in. Now, even if you wait till 12 o'clock, there is nothing there, but God knows at what time they come and throw it.